Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a massive closet clean out. I'm going to be going through my closet at my apartment and my whole like dresser unit, and then my storage closet where I have like coats and stuff, because I've just been shopping a lot recently. I mean, you guys know it's my job. Like, I buy a lot of new clothes and I show it to you guys, and that's kind of like how I get paid. So it's just a constant cycle of like buying new clothes, and I also work with brands to send me clothes, and it's just like I'm so incredibly grateful for that opportunity, because I know a lot of people would love to have the opportunity to have like this many clothes. So I'm not in any way, shape, or form trying to complain at all. I don't want it to come across that way, but it is just kind of overwhelming when I do have this amount of clothes, because then I don't wear but like 25% of it, and it's just like annoying, and it like has gotten to the point where I don't want to put laundry away, because like I don't want to have to like stuff it in my closet or stuff it in the drawers, and it's just gotten to be too much. And it's springtime. Well, it's about to be springtime, and I've just gotten a lot of new clothes. I've been doing a lot of hauls recently. I'll have some linked in the description box if you guys want to see like the clothes I've been buying, and I've been buying a ton of clothes, so it's just time to get rid of a bunch. But what I'm doing is, since I'm a hoarder, like I'm not even kidding you guys, like I just can't get rid of clothes. I have a whole walk-in closet at my parents' house that I've like completely like rearranged, and like there's barely anything in my walk-in closet at my parents' house now, which is a good thing, because now I'm taking all the clothes from my closet and my dresser at my apartment, and I'm gonna put it at my parents' house until I'm ready to sell it and donate it, because I just don't have time to go through all the stuff right now and be like posting on Poshmark or like donate to Goodwill or whatever. I don't have time to do that right now, so I'm just gonna take it to my parents' house, and sometime this week I'm gonna put it in the closet, and then maybe in the summer go through the stuff and like start selling it when I have a little bit more time, because right now, like being a college student and working, it's just really hard, and that's why I've been putting off cleaning my closet out for so long. But yeah, and that way, like I'm not completely getting rid of it, I'm just getting rid of it in my space, but like at my parents' house, like it'll be fine there. So yeah, I have a whole other closet in my parents' house, a whole nother like drawer unit, like dresser. So like there's no need for me to have clothes over there and here. So like I went through a couple months ago and like got rid of like 90% of my clothes over there. So I still have probably 10% of clothing over there, just stuff that I haven't like sold yet, but I'm actually going to get that stuff together and like sell it, because whatever's over there, like I don't need anymore. So I'm just gonna like sell and probably donate most of it to like Goodwill and stuff. And then the stuff that I'm getting rid of today will be like permanently in that closet, if that makes any sort of sense. Sorry, this was like such a super long intro. I'm just trying to like put my thoughts out there, and then also like make sense to you guys if you guys are like confused or whatever, because I'm probably going to be getting rid of a lot. So anyways, if you guys are excited for this video, give it a thumbs up. I am not excited at all. I literally hate doing this. This is like one of my least favorite things ever to do. It's just so overwhelming. But yeah, subscribe, click that bell, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so it is Sunday right now, and I have an accounting exam tomorrow. So I've been studying for a couple hours doing that, and I just decided to take a break and get this done, because it's been on my to-do list for a while. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do the process. So here's my closet. You guys have been great, but you guys have been begging for like a closet tour, but I want to do that like after I get it all situated. But I don't have like the biggest closet right now. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna touch the shoes, just because that's just like kind of like a whole other task, and I don't really have shoes that like I know I want to get rid of. So I'm gonna go through like each section of my closet. Like these are all the like t-shirts, and then skirts, and then like long sleeves, and like neutral stuff, and dresses. I'm just gonna like section it out and make a pile of what I want to get rid of and what I want to keep, and do it like section by section. That way it's not like too overwhelming. And then I've got like jeans in here, jean shorts, and then tank tops and like beanies and stuff. And then I'll do the dresser and then the closet. So we're gonna get rid of a lot, hopefully. I'll give you like an overview of my closet right now. This is just what it looks like. I've got like boxes and stuff up there, like Yeezy boxes, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Chanel. I just like have that for decoration up there. And then I've got more right here. And then my shoes, a ladder because I'm short. And then these are my bathing suits because I'm going on spring break soon. And under here is like a basket where I put stuff that I'm putting in a haul soon, like, and just keep it in this big basket. So that's like my closet situation. So I'm gonna do this first, and then we'll do the dresser, and then we'll do the external closet. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna set you guys up here, and we're gonna do a time lapse because I wanna listen to music. So see you guys shortly. Okay guys, my time lapse cut off. I have no idea at what point, but I kind of wanted to like show you guys the system that I'm using because it's really, really efficient. So what I'm doing is I'm sectioning it off, like I'm pulling things section by section. So like the way I did have it, so like I had it like color coordinated, like my closet was like color coordinated. I didn't have it by long sleeve sweater, sweatshirts, short sleeves, tank tops like I want to do it now. So I'm kind of like organizing as I'm going. So this is the pile that I'm taking so far to my parents. I'm just gonna pack it up in a suitcase. Then I've got cardigans over here, and then I've got dresses. So like as I'm pulling section by section, I'm color coordinating it and organizing it as we go. So we got bodysuits, tank tops, short sleeves, and then this is like miscellaneous. But I think it's really, really working. So I'm gonna finish off. I've got all that in the back closet is like business attire and like professional clothing. So I'm not gonna touch that. I'm just gonna leave it back in the back because as I get more into my major in college, I'll probably have like presentations where I need to like do like business casual and stuff because that's my major is business. So I'm just gonna leave it here, but I don't ever wear it. But I went through the skirts, but I'm not getting rid of any because I literally just went through those like at the end of summer. And then the back corner, you can't like see it, but I've got t-shirts, like band tees. So I'm gonna go through those, even though I probably won't get rid of any, but I'm gonna organize them. But I'm gonna do that last, like once everything's already in my closet. So, cue time. I don't even know how long I've been working for, like maybe an hour and a half, I think. But I'm like done, I think. Or I'm like in the stage of almost being done. So this is so far what I'm gonna take to my parents' house. It's a lot, like a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and like show you guys like my closet tour, or like a little bit of one, and then like my coat closet, and then my dresser, and then I'll just do like a final time lapse of me like packing this in a suitcase to like go away if you guys want. Let me know if you guys want me to like continue to do these because it felt really good and I'm like really proud of myself and really like in a good headspace now. Like I feel like you need to do this to be like re-inspired with fashion, which is my passion, and then also just to like get a clearer mindset like and headspace. I don't know if that makes sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I did with my closet. So it's kind of dark because there's no windows in my room, but so this is the way that I organize it. I'll just show you guys. So I have long sleeves down here, and then it goes to like thicker pullovers, and then from the pullovers it goes to cardigans, and then to sweaters. Maybe I should do, I'm trying to think. I think I like that. But maybe I should put the sweaters next to the long sleeves. Yeah, I think I'll rearrange that. I'm gonna put like all the sweaters next to the long sleeves. Then it's gonna go to like pullovers and then cardigans. And then back here, I just have all my like tracksuits, like Adidas and Champion tracksuits. So that's the situation down here. I tried to color coordinate it, like white to gray, like to color, but I'm not really worried about that. I'm more worried about like the type of like shirt, like long sleeve, tank top, bodysuit, that kind of thing. And then all the way back here, I have like band tees and like athleisure t-shirts, and then to crop tees. These are like this is my most worn section, are band tees. And so I have them back here, just to help me not get to wear them, and because they don't look that cute like hanging up like t-shirts in your closet, so I like to have them in the back. But yeah, and then down here, you can't really see, but I've got beanies and swimsuit cover-ups, so like seasonal items, and then shorts and jeans, and then pants that are not jeans right here, like flowy pants and belts, and then skirts, and then tank tops, like cropped ones to longer ones, and then bodysuits. This whole section is bodysuits. And then it stops right here. And then it goes to short sleeve, but like cropped. And then just short sleeves. And then dresses, rompers, sweater dresses, all that. So that's the closet. I'm really happy with how I organized it. I think it's gonna stay that way. And then in my dresser, I'll show you guys. I gotta kind of like organize it a little bit, but I have leggings. All these are Lulu, and then I've got like some random ones, but all these are Lulu, and I have like, I think 8 or 9 pair that I'm washing right now, so hopefully they still fit in here. And then down here I have all my like athletic wear, so literally all Lululemon, but then I've got a few Nike things back there. I got some sports bras right here, and I have a lot more athletic wear. I'll just show you guys in the bathroom that I need to put away because it's become a problem, but I don't know where to put the sports bras. I might move them down to my bra drawer. I'm not really sure yet. I gotta make that decision. And then down here I just have underwear, bras. I've got bralettes back here and like sticky boobs, and then socks. So that's that. And then sleeping t-shirts right here. This used to be completely full, but I cleaned it out. And then sweatpants and shorts, and then all these are Lulu shorts and like regular shorts. And then this is just like cute little pajama sets that I never wear. I usually just wear a t-shirt and shorts to bed, but I'm hoping that I'll start like wearing like cute little sets like this. Okay, I think I'm gonna like take a break because I'm getting like really hot, and like this is just a lot to do at once. So I'm gonna like take a break. I need to go run to Chipotle and get some food, and then continue studying, and then finish this off later tonight. Let me show you guys the coat closet. So this is the situation now. Used to be completely full, but I have all my sweatshirts back here, and then just like jackets and stuff. I need to like organize it, but you guys get the gist. But here's, oh, I took it down. It was all laid out, but all this is workout wear that I just washed. So I gotta put that away. So yeah, okay, that's a wrap for right now. I don't know what I'll film later, but it'll be something. So yeah, I'm feeling a lot better, and I'm really happy. So, okay, I'll talk to you guys soon. Hi guys, so I may not look any different to you, but it's been about 3 hours. I went and got some food because I hadn't ate all day, because I've literally been studying and just like been on my couch all day, so I wasn't hungry. So I just got Chipotle and ate that and just like chilled, because today has been a day. It's just a lot for me. So I'm going to put all this in the suitcase to take to my parents' house sometime this week. I don't know when I'll get around to it. Hopefully soon, so I can get it out of my apartment. But I'm gonna take all these clothes over to my parents' house, so I thought I would just pack them up in the suitcase and do a little time lapse, because I know it'll be satisfying. So I'm gonna do that, but I'm just kind of like organizing and like getting my closet like the way I want it. But I think I'm gonna keep it like that. I really, really like it. But I had these purses in that closet, and I wanted to put them in my shoe like coat closet, just because I have like all my other bags in there, but I have like some of my bags here and then like some hanging up. But I just thought I would put them in the other closet. So that's like all for the reorganizing. But I'm gonna go ahead and like take these off the hangers and fold them and put it in my suitcase. So I'm gonna do a time lapse. So cue time lapse in 3, 2, 1. I literally cry right now. I'm so happy. I just like, it's like something was like weighing on my shoulder, and I was just in a really bad mood, like literally like all day, because I knew I had to do this and I didn't want to. Not because I was lazy, but just because I didn't want to put like the thought process into like organizing everything. I love organizing, but like, I don't know, I just didn't want to do it, if that makes sense. I'm feeling so much more inspired now, and so like, I'm just in such a better headspace. And like going through your clothes, okay, let me challenge you guys. I challenge every single one of you, hold on, we're gonna have a little talk, to go through your closet and your like dresser and wherever you store clothes, go through all of it, and first of all, donate whatever you don't want. I'm gonna do that after I take the stuff that I want to keep over to my parents. I'm going to donate a lot of it. The reason why I challenge you guys to do that is because like, I didn't realize some of the stuff that I had. I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. And I was like picturing ideas of like what I could wear with in my head. Like some of that stuff like had tags on it and I haven't even worn, which sounds ridiculous, but it happens sometimes. It just gets lost in the pile. And I have a really bad habit of buying a lot of new clothes and then wearing it like once or twice and then like not wearing it again. So like doing that whole like closet thing like just totally re-inspired me and made me realize that like some of that stuff is so cute. Like literally everything in that closet I thought was really cute and that I would wear it again. I hate when I have stuff in my closet that I know I'm like, it's not really that cute, but I don't want to get rid of it because it's like Urban Outfitters or Free People or whatever. Just get rid of it, like if you don't think you'll wear it. And I still feel like I could get rid of like a lot more, but that's a start. I'll probably go through again, like, you know, like every month or so, especially like whenever I go like on big shopping trips. I'll probably just weed through my closet and it won't be as big of a process as it was now, but this was like definitely like a big closet declutter or whatever. But like from now on it'll probably just be like little mini ones. It'll make it easier, if that makes sense. Ow, I just scratched my face. But I'll show you guys my coat closet because I never finished showing you guys. But I just have some bags up top. I have bags like all over my apartment. Whenever I get my 2-bedroom apartment this year, I'm gonna have like a whole room. I'm putting that out there in the universe, but I'm gonna have a whole room like dedicated for like my office, and like I'll have my vanity in there. I'll have another closet hopefully, and I'll put like all my bags together. But like right now I just have them like scattered around. I have like 2 Gucci bags. I have like a Louis and a Gucci, and then I have like my Louis Vuitton duffel right here, and then I've got some up there. So I'm gonna hopefully like be able to have the space in a couple months, like 6 to 7 months, to have all my bags where I can see them. But anyways, that was a long tangent. But this closet like rack is like breaking. It's like because it's so heavy, because I have so many coats and so many sweatshirts. I just obviously live in North Carolina and the weather is so bipolar, so you can never have too many sweatshirts, too many coats. I mean, I think this is a reasonable amount because this is all my sweatshirts, which is good. So up here, just some bags, Lululemon, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, whatever. Those 2 are actually replicas. Those are my only 2 replica bags, but just want to be honest with you guys. But anyways, then I have some pink sheets, some white sheets, some pillowcases up in those bins. And then I've got like my 2 really heavy jackets right here, some extra hangers, light jackets to denim, to a leather one, to furry, to like, okay, I don't think I'll ever wear this. It's like a Adidas bomber and it's like reversible, but it's just kind of like a collector's item. I don't know, I don't think I'll ever wear it, but whatever. I've got like this Adidas windbreaker that I never even wear, but whatever. And then all my sweatshirts, and then back here I just have a yoga mat, summer shoes, cleaning supplies, some random shoes and stuff like that. So that's my closet. So happy with it, and my room looks so much better now. And I'm just gonna, I guess, I don't know what to do with this. I'll probably honestly be putting more stuff in throughout the week. Like I'll like go through my closet a little bit more before I make it final. Okay, I guess I'll go ahead and end off the video here. If you guys want me to do like a full closet tour, let me know. I will definitely do that because I'm just feeling so like inspired now. And I'll do a closet tour, but I still haven't put all my new clothes up that I just got in my shopping spree haul. So I'll have that video linked down below, but I need to put those clothes away, but I'm gonna do that tomorrow. But yeah, I think this is like the 3rd video in the series that I'm doing, like closet declutter. I did like a jewelry declutter. Let me know if you guys want me to do like a makeup declutter. I think that's on the list next. I could maybe do shoes. I don't feel like I need to declutter any of those yet, but yeah, definitely probably makeup's next on the list. And then probably like just like stuff around my apartment, like under the sink and like drawers and stuff. I could declutter some stuff. So let me know what you guys want to see next. I love you guys so much. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe and click that bell. Upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen right here. And I love you guys so much, and I'll hopefully see you very soon in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.